Welcome back, everybody. Today is March. Are we in March? March 29th, and we are coming to you from a place I've never ever been before. We are on a diesel locomotive, and we are heading out to hill country. So we have just started this. Not much to see. I will come back once we have nice things to show. See everybody down the road. I wonder if it's down the track. Debbie corrected me. We're not on a road, so we'll see everybody down the track. Here we go.
Became the first industry standard in the late 1920s with the rise of animated film.
Isn't that pretty? We're doing trivia, and I had help with the answer. It's probably not right, but very cool, huh? So here in a little bit, we'll get up and we'll go through the train cars, check them out. What are these cars? These cars are from the 30s through the 50s. I'm pretty sure. And I think we're in a newer one. But like I said, we'll get up and start walking here shortly.
FPS became the first in a last-minute change inspired by Walt Disney's.
All right, let's take a tour of the train. So they said not to step on there because it will bite you. Now this next car, I think, is super cool. Yeah, look at this. This one's done up right. Yeah, this one's very cool. All right, I'll be back. All right, so we are following the gorgeous Debbie, and we are going to a different part of the. It's difficult to walk, especially with my balance issues. Yeah, so see, you can't walk here and you can see outside there. What's this car look like? Oh, this one kind of looks like what we're already in. This one seems to be quieter.
Well, we're not doing questions right now.
We don't have music.
No, we are.
Yeah, we got a lot of music going
Or we
on.
weren't actively asking. Oh. Sorry, question.
So would these be like sleeper rooms, like to our right? Yeah, that's cool. Oh, we're stopping for me. Yeah, they said that will bite you. Can we peek out? So I've never been in a train. There's a lot of things I just have not done. So it's very cool when I get to. Oh. That's a big restroom. So of course we gotta do some shopping. So we're gonna shop, and I'll come back once we. I don't know. I'll come back once we see something cool. All right, so we're doing a run around. So we're stopped. This is our locomotive right here, and they are just moving the locomotive. To the back of the train, which is now the front of the train, and we're gonna head back to Austin. So very cool, very cool.
Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your trip.
Oh, absolutely, thank you. So the gorgeous Deborah is stating that she likes these cars with these nice chairs compared to what we have. We basically are sitting at a table with just normal chairs, and we got cars.
bolted to the ground.
Yeah, and we are squished because the table is bolted to the ground, and they pack us in tight. I'm looking at all the cars. I think that's a Thunderbird, that white one. So here we go as we go through. I think this is very cool. We were supposed to do some type of trivia. I really don't care about trivia. My brain doesn't work that quick. But to be in this, I mean, this is cool. Yeah, I dig it.
Step back in time.
Definitely step back in time. Crazy. And you just like meander. You know, there's no straight shot. You turn left, you turn right, you move around. We got switches. Yeah, so there we go, people. All right, everybody. We're gonna walk the train really quick to show you where we were. What did you think?
I had fun.
It was good. It was good. It was a little different than what I thought it would be because there was a lot of close shrubbery.
Yes.
So you couldn't really see, I don't know, the sights, but it was cool. It was cool. So let me flip everybody around. And this was our train. And we stayed in the New York Central.
41.
And we'll just pan on down. And yeah, I'm digging the mechanical aspect of everything. We got someone coming up behind us. So, you know, I enjoyed it. Hopefully next time we do something like this, it'll be more sights.
Yeah, I'm done.
So,
Just move on it, but
yeah, we're going to be on a spider ride.
yes.
So, I don't know. Hopefully I have enough to put this together. But yeah, this was our whole entire train.